Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I make motivational videos, DIYs, and inspiration. I do hope that you enjoy this content. If you do, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Real quick before we jump into the video, I just want to mention today's sponsor, which is YouTubeGrower.net. If you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, they are where it's at. This is my management team. They take care of everything for me by analyzing my analytics, helping me where I need help, monitoring my channel, and telling me how to grow. So if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, go to www.youtubegrower.net. The link's in my description box. Make sure you tell them Danielle sent you because you're gonna get some extras when you do. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with our first gift. This is what I would call a more conservative gift. It's a picture of your family. And then I added a really good, it looks like it's a humorous book. It's called Invasion. And then also I added in a fine beer glass. And I also added in these adorable socks. I will probably wear these. So the first one is just cute little socks, and I rolled them up into a little roll, and then I took the avocado and egg socks and I rolled those up into a little roll, and I just set them in there. Obviously you can do whatever you want. You don't even have to put these in a basket, but this whole gift together, if you don't include the basket and the stuffing, was only $5.
And later we warm up by the fireplace.
The next gift basket is our snack basket. These are the TGI Friday potato skins. They're in jalapeno cheddar. I'm also adding in a beer mug, some honey roasted peanuts, and then I'm adding in these sweet and spicy barbecue pork jerky by Trails Best, and some mini Reese's peanut butter cups. Obviously you can personalize this if you prefer, or if you have someone with an allergy, like a peanut allergy, this probably wouldn't be the basket for them. So just switch it up, and it's always best to stick a couple of brand names in there. My favorite and my husband's favorite basket is next. This is going to be our car wash essential basket. So instead of using a basket, I'm using a car bucket. It can be a mop bucket. They look the same to me, but this one just happened to be in the automotive department of Dollar Tree. I did shove some bags in there to give it height, but you can put whatever you want in there. You can put like an Amazon box, or you don't even have to give it elevation. I just thought it looked better for the video. Anyways, this is a buffalo plaid scarf that I picked up a couple of years ago at Dollar Tree. I'm just using that for the aesthetic. And then I'm adding in a super durable washing sponge, some microfiber cloths, and then they actually had some Armor All tire foam. I got 2 of those, and some Armor All auto glass cleaner. You can personalize this however you want to. This particular gift cost about $6. And our last basket is our self-care basket. This is the Old Spice Body Wash in Dragon Blast. Yes, they had this at Dollar Tree. I'm also adding in some natural Epsom salt. These are not scented. Some lime green and black 5 razors. These are the ones with 5 blades, and then it's a 3-pack. And then I'm adding in a sea sponge and some soothing aloe shaving cream. And then that actually completes this basket as well as the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I'd love to hear which basket was your favorite. Mine was definitely the automotive one. So just let me know in the comments below, and you might see me on Instagram in those socks here pretty soon. Thanks, guys.